Yes, Empire Crypto TV. It's been a long time since I've done market analysis. My name is Stone, and today I know it's Easter Monday, but I have to do some analysis of Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, stock markets, everything going down in this Easter. Okay, I don't know what it is. Maybe I can guess that a lot of people around the world, they do celebrate Easter's, because the majority of the people, we do know that people are Christians and the people are going to church. But more importantly, there are a lot of things taking place and a lot of events and a lot of going out, a lot of visiting, a lot of doing this and a lot of doing that. But in the midst of all of that, you do realize that people are going to be spending money and their investments and their savings. I could also expect that people who have been having their savings and their investments in the cryptocurrency space and having coins have sort of like withdrawn their money and wanting to spend it with their families, and they want to go out and they want to enjoy the times that that are so rare on this month of April, which is Easter. And it is just a tiny holiday, if I should say. Being at home with your families can be important. But looking at the market, nevertheless, Bitcoin trading just under $39,000 per coin. That is just a bearish trend that has been continuously happening. And I've not been able to analyze it and being able to come on the show and do some analysis for the people out there who are relying on Empire Crypto TV. Like to apologize for that, for sure. And of course, you are watching Empire Crypto TV. One thing for sure I also wanted to notify you about is that the fact that we are having these small Anyana holidays, is it is also likely that we might be experiencing a lot of down trends throughout the markets. And the story that says that is also on the Wall Street. Not only just Bitcoin, the financial market of the world itself is also facing its own downtrends. The stories are coming out and talking about the S&P 500 inches higher, a strong BOFA, a result of offset tech weakness. Okay, now it's inching a bit higher, at least on the late afternoon. Okay, S&P 500. Okay, they're trying to regain momentum. But if you see on my side, here you can see it's a blood red. So it might be inching higher now, but earlier on things were not quite as good looking as they sound right now. Okay, let's jump over to the coin market cap. Let us look at the coin market cap as of today. And what is the coin market cap? It is at 1.8, quite moderate. And obviously, being the coin dropped down, and also that affects the coin market cap, and BTC being at 41.0% in the dominance of all cryptocurrencies. And we still have 18,000 cryptos. And I think they are getting closer to 19,000 cryptos a month, because there's many projects that are coming out, such as the Ape coin and so forth. But let us just look at the market as a whole. Let us go down. Looking at the bloodstream right there, man, it's all blood in the streets, as you can see. And, a little bit of greens there. In the past 24 hours, there has been no gains. I can tell you from the top 10 that I'm looking at, no gains, but except for the Terra Luno, which has gained 2.62% in the last 24 hours. Well, Terra Luno might be doing well, but the rest of the entire crypto landscape is taking a blow. This might be also be temporary for the Terra Luno, but tomorrow as well, coming is Tuesday, it is the end of the Easters. And after the end of the Easters, we'll see what happened on the market. Maybe something positive will happen. Maybe we can start seeing some of those green zones coming up. By the way, this is just the market analysis, and I also want to share my analysis with also other financial instruments like the stocks. Looking at the Apple stock right now, falling from the 180 mark down to oh wow, the chart just disappeared just like that. Okay, falling down from thousand mark. Not 1,000 mark, from the 178 to 164. So also the stocks are taking a blow. But on the other side, commodities, gold, oil, that's what I'm talking about. They are taking a hike at this point in time. As you can see, gold is almost reaching 2,000 per coin, per ounce. That's what I mean, per share or per ounce. So it's almost reaching 2,000. And also analysts also shared their views based on what's happening on the market currently. BTC could drop to 30,000 K in 2 weeks. Wow. That is a crazy analysis. So most people who are going to be reading these news might be getting affected in a negative way. So it is likely that you might see some of the sell-offs that you might see that might make this come through, might make Bitcoin to go as far as 30,000 K in 2 weeks. Okay, this is an analysis from another analyst. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's 100% authentic proof. Okay, trader warns as gold goes for 2K, as I shown you there, high, and Bitcoin, okay, just checking the microphone right there. The precious metal is stealing the limelight as Bitcoin languishes under 40,000 after the Easter weekend. So the metal is the one that is sort of like engulfing the crypto investment trade, but it won't last long. Let's see what happens. Bitcoin is in line for relief bounce, but still risks dropping all the way to $30,000 per coin before May. A new analysis warned on April 18th. Wow. Okay, they have their own chart, but we also have our own chart analysis. Okay, $30,000 dive in April risk. Wow. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC hovering near 39,000 on April 18 as bearish prognosis for the pair mounted. After losing $40,000 support overnight into April 18, Bitcoin faced thin liquidity in the absence of the United States and European equities trading, thanks to the Easter weekend. So the equities trading has lessened, and that being being led because there are some equities that are crypto backed, and there are some equities that rely on cryptographic or the current stage that we are in of blockchain technology that are relying on crypto technology. So with the markets being closed in this long weekend, because the traditional markets themselves, they will close for this long weekend. I don't understand that, why the Bitcoin would be affected in such a manner that it's hurdling with equities and stocks and so forth, because it should have been standalone. But now you can understand that the more cryptocurrency is accepted and the more cryptocurrency gains fame and popularity amongst major institutions, then cryptocurrency is at the stage that it's also going to be affected almost, if not just as the traditional markets. Cryptocurrencies are no longer that element of a strangeness. Now they are familiarized. Now you can see that they are moving alongside with equities. Equities being closed also affected the cryptocurrency space. This is a new level of analysis within the crypto trading spectrum. If you see commodities going down, you see crypto going up. You see commodities going up, you see crypto going down. This is something that has been happening as of late, since I've been analyzing the market when starting the show. For popular trader, crypto at a near-term retreat should bottom out at 37,000. Okay, 500 before a rebound kicks in. Okay, this is just an analysis from another analyst. Okay, first I need to reclaim $40,000. If we manage that, it will certainly give a bullish impulse to the market, he said in his latest YouTube update. Should that happen, $43,000 could figure as the local high, but going forward, the picture looks bleak. So that is what other analysts could be saying. So there's a lot of negativity or a lot of bearish trend being expected in the times to come. So BTC, Bitcoin, being as it is, we're gonna keep on analyzing, see what's happening. But things could change from here on. Things could change. Things don't have to be the way that being analysts. I'm just reading this information so that I can share it with you. Maybe our own analysis will be doing the counts, but of course, let us just do our very own analysis. But looking at this indicator right here, which is my moving average cross, and you can see that it has widened. So it shows that that the yellow moving average, which is a slower moving average, and it has come above the faster moving average, which is the 9-period moving average. Coming above is the 26 moving average, and it's quite wide. The gap is quite wide. Okay, it's quite wide, and as you can see, my RSI, relative strength index, almost at a point of being oversold at 37.54. Now remember, 30 and below, it means that it's oversold. When it's oversold, it's cheap, and then people can start buying the cryptocurrency. This is what you call market volatility. I don't think people should panic and be having drastic moments about crypto going down, blah, blah, blah. This is what you call market volatility. After this whole bearish trend, get ready. Go put your buy, go buy your cryptos at the most cheapest level so that you can see them grow over time while the opportunity still presents itself. And of course, you can always buy cryptos on Empire Chain. Okay, if you want to exchange cryptos as well. Okay, I can go right now on Empire Chain. Okay, I've already registered. Quite a friendly platform, friendly user platform. If you are not someone familiar with charts or don't want to read charts, go at Empire Chain and register and seize the opportunity of buying cryptocurrencies and selling cryptocurrencies as well. And I have of course, a view, a overflow, a comment right here that just came in. Overflow, say, overflow. Thank you for the information. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for that. I do really appreciate that. This is Empire Crypto TV. Keep it locked. And of course, always be sure to invite your friends. Of course, please do invite your friends and share the live show. And of course, live one Monday to Friday, subscribe and win some Shiba Uno. And even when you also subscribe and joining the Empire Chain, and you as you register for Empire Chain, you're also gonna get or receive 20,000 Shiba Inus for the first registers for the Empire Chain. And Empire Chain is a peer-to-peer network where you can exchange cryptocurrencies for your local currencies, and it has 20 transaction options, more than 20 transaction options that you can choose from. Thank you very much for watching the show. This is Empire Crypto TV with Stone. Until next time, bye bye.